Shine bright up all night, whenever slow.
Hi Or. This will be our farewell dinner for Ormila. Right, wait. These are the side dishes. This is cucumber. This is kimchi. This is tauga. Oh,
This is cucumber.
cucumber, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is lettuce.
This is Chinese cabbage, I think.
No, I think...
Onion.
okay.
And this is this one.
This one is grilling.
Cheers.
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 Well, we.
Here also. This is halal wheat, I order only this. And this one we want to do like this, to do, you know?
I'll put it on.
Yeah, put it all because we like, because so that it will be.
And this in other. Where is it? Yeah.
Cheese is on underwear.
Walking today. Not.
Oh, these are two or?
Oh my God.
I really have. I thought that you have a good eyes or.
Only looking at.
Only looking at a chihuahua and bebe and.
I forgot to ask you yesterday when
Yeah,
you were.
this one also or.
What Thomas was saying to you and laughing.
Nah, but exact. Thomas. Vandak, today is Valentine's Day, ha? I need to take shower also.
What he said?
And I said, I need to go home, ha? Because I'm till only 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Because if I will not do it, who will do it? Oh, who will, what's this? Hi. Yeah, this one.
There is no.
This one, no, because that one is already cooked. Because I also, you know, like that, right? It's a good idea, right? Okay.
Kimchi. Oh, this one.
Yum yum. Good.
No, virgin is enough. In.
Oh my god, on the way of the way it wait.
Yeah.
By the beers daar.
Yeah.
Oh my god, 3 mensen wachten wait.
What? Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah. And kronta dabei. Ja. Kijk. Dit is bibimbap. Dit is bekend Koreaanse eten.
This is the
Bibimbap.
famous,
Yeah. This is the famous Zakmar bibimbap.
bibimbap.
The other one, no? It was not so tasty.
Don't bring the what's this the spoon or so that you can still use the spoon. Only the pan. Only the pan.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Eat because tomorrow no more. It will be flushed out.
That's all.
Ang late naming kaibigan. You are very late.
Very light, yeah.
Upo ka na dyan. Ito na yung bibimbap mo. Oh my God. Ano bang what happened? Cheers.
Our height is short, but
Our voice are so big and loud.
yeah. Please make it well.
Barbecue.
What?
Lekker. Yum yum.
Done?
Or this is for you or should I give now?
Yeah. No, tomorrow.
No, tomorrow never comes. Open it. Now you're insider. Before it's outsider. Open it.
What is this? You should not do that.
No, we were thinking of a gift for you, but we cannot think of anything because
Everybody is busy. We cannot think good.
Souvenirs to you. That's why.
That's why better cash.
thinking about set of pan or something that because you like to cook, but that would be too heavy for you to carry to India. So
It will be so heavy for you.
yeah, this
Yeah.
is a lot